Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational family lifestyle vlogs on my channel. And for those of you who are new, hey y'all. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational family vlogs on my channel. And for those of you who are returning, hey y'all, what's up? So today is a skincare video. Hey guys, I haven't had like an actual trial of a skincare video. I haven't actually had a trial of a skincare video I actually haven't had a trial of a new skincare line in a very long time. So I'm gonna kind of talk about the one I was using first, and then I'm gonna tell you guys, or kind of go through some first impressions with this new line that I'm gonna start. So as you guys know, I have been using the Fenty Skin. I think I uploaded a video either in August of 2020 or September of that year. My trial of that, and I was supposed to try it for 30 days. Then I was gonna come back and tell you guys about it. Life happened, I moved, just a whole bunch of other stuff. But the main reason I didn't is because I fell in love with it. Like, absolutely loved it. I don't have any complaints about the Fenty Skin. The products were great, they smelled great. My skin like went from just being even, it was glowing. Like, I get compliments on my skin all the time. Obviously I don't, I have makeup on right now, but yeah, I just got compliments on how glowing and even my skin looked, and Fenty Skin, y'all, I love it. So I said I was gonna kind of do a review about it, like a follow-up, but I don't really have anything to say about it. Like, it was great. Just, I loved the so I guess to backtrack, if you don't know too much about Fenty Skin, so she came out with a cleanser, a toner, which she called Fat Water, and then she had a moisturizing cream. That was her first initial launch, and I bought that little set. And then like maybe a month or so after, she came out with a night cream, which I absolutely love. The consistency, how thick it was, it's just great. So that's what I used. I kind of replaced some of my other skincare products with that. I'm sorry, it's very loud in my house. Yeah, so fell in love with it. From like when I first started it on, that's all I was pretty much using. I did incorporate back in my ordinary skincare. Serum cream, it was more of a serum, and I did actually do a video about my like nighttime routine, which is basically my daytime too, minus the nighttime moisturizer minus the daytime Fenty Skin one. But I'll leave that up in the cards if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, that's what I've been using now for about the last, what, 6 months. And yeah, skin has just been glowing. It's been great. So that's probably going to be one of my staple skincare lines, along with my Mary Kay. I'll be reincorporating some Mary Kay items back into my skincare regimen as well. But yeah, Fenty Skin, if you haven't tried it, you definitely need to check it out. I will say, however, I don't believe that if you've got like, you know, a lot of issues with your skin, like cystic acne, or just, you know, a lot of like major things, I don't think that you're going to see a lot of improvements with it. I don't think that it's like one of those skincare lines that's going to help treat everything. But I mean, if you've got like little problem areas, discoloration, things like that, I think it'll work perfect. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. But in this bag is what we'll be trialing now for the next 30 days. And I promise you it'll only be 30 days because I have more skincare lines that I am wanting to try this year. So yeah, so I went ahead and purchased, get it all out here, and I just purchased the trial size because obviously we're trialing. So alright, so this is the Buttah skincare line by Dorian Renaud. So here is the cleanser here, and I'll probably put a picture up just so you can see the whole line together, because I did, like I said, I did buy the sample. So initially, just so you guys know too, the sample should have all been in this bag here. It was supposed to be a small bag, but they sent me a little note and said that they ran out of the sample size of the cleanser, so I got the full size, which is 3.4 fluid ounces. But then what also came in here, so it was in this little bag, and then these little pamphlets here are about the 3 different items that I purchased, so we'll kind of run through those as we go. And then I also got a vitamin C serum and a Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream. So those are the 3 products that I received. So we've got a cleanser, a vitamin C serum, and a moisturizer. So what I'm gonna do off camera, I'm gonna get all this makeup off my face. I'm just gonna use my cleansing oil just to get that off, and then we will jump into the cleanser and all the good. Alright, so I am back. I just used, like I said, right now I'm using the ultralight cleansing oil from Neutrogena. And I just used that just to get most of the makeup off. So yeah. Alright, so the first thing we are going to try is the Buttah by Dorian Renaud cleanser. And this says that it cleanses, removes unwanted impurities while enriching essential oils and maintaining skin's natural pH. So before I get too deep into this, I do want to let you guys know that this is a Black owned company. And it says it's for all melanin skin tones, so I guess it's geared for more melanin skin tones, melanated skin tones, if you want to say that, but I'm sure anybody can use it. So like I said, each one came with like a little pamphlet about it. So this is the one about the cleanser, and then there's some more information in here that I'm not gonna read. You guys could definitely go to the website and check out everything else, but it's just basically about what's in it. So let's pop this open because I haven't opened it. Okay. Oh, so there was a seal on it, but it looks like the seal got stuck, so I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. So there was a little plastic seal in there, but somehow it got kind of like bent, so it wasn't on the top. But so it should come sealed. I'm just gonna close that off, and I can tell already. Let's just look at what it looks like here. I always hold my hand weird. So all right, so it looks like it's just a clear gel. Not super watery, but not super thick. Yeah, it's just soap. Literally, it feels like soap consistency. I don't know. It's got really no scent to it at all, which is surprising since it says there's lavender in there. I figured it would have that. But yeah, so I probably got a little bit more than, well, that was probably a penny size. So I'm going to turn the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing as I wash, and then we'll come back for the next step. A soothing coconut oil and lavender flower extract condition to calm your complexion, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and healthy looking. Gently lifts away dirt, oil, debris, and sloughs off dead surface cells that cause dullness. To squeeze a penny-sized amount into palm, massage over damp skin into a circular motion, rinse thoroughly with cool water. Excellent for daily use on all skin types. Alright, and I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, I put my little bonnet on because, you know, this is how we go to bed. Gotta keep that hair clean and protected while we sleep. So, okay, so this literally is just like a cleanser. My face feels relatively smooth. I don't really, I mean, I'm not like, oh my gosh, it's so smooth, but it's smooth. It did remove the makeup. I feel like I wanted to add a little bit more, but I was trying to do it the way it suggested so I could show you guys initially. I like, you know, it doesn't say anywhere on there that it's a makeup remover, so I would say definitely take your makeup off before you use it. But I do feel like my face is clean. Like, it feels, like I said, really smooth. It feels a little bit more dry than I'm used to afterwards, but there's no scent. I don't see, sorry, I'm looking at my mirror over here. I don't see really any makeup left. And it just, yeah, it just looks clean. The next thing is the vitamin C serum. And like I said, this is the travel size, or not the travel size, this is the trial size. Oh, and I got this trial size for $15, just so you guys know. I think I'll try to insert something maybe over here, just kind of a rundown of the prices of like their normal stuff that you get on their website. But yeah, this little trial size was $15. So hopefully it lasts 30 days, because this is a tiny bottle, but it is a serum. So I'm assuming you don't need much. It's just in a little dropper here. So yeah. And this is a 0.17 fluid ounce bottles of Vitamels. And this one, again, not too much of a scent. I guess it's almost, you know, it's citrusy. Maybe a little bit of orange and lavender, but it's super, super light. Like, you wouldn't be able to smell it if you didn't like stick your nose in it. So it says, get a more radiant and smoother complexion with our proprietary mix of retexturizing vitamin C and an antioxidant rich formula combined with the right amount of vitamins to revitalize your skin and improve the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And this one says, apply 4 to 5 drops to freshly cleansed and dried skin. Massage in a circular motion over face, neck, chest, and any problem areas. Allow to absorb for 1 minute. Follow with Buttah Facial Moisturizer to maximize results. I was still a little extra, but to be honest with you, that first 5 drops didn't feel like it was going to be enough. Alright, so as most vitamin C serums that I'm used to, it's a little sticky, very, very sticky feeling. But I know that with vitamin C, like I said, it's just kind of how it leaves it. Ooh, it's like, you see that? But yeah, there's some tackiness there. Okay, so as far as that feels, I just feel sticky right now, to be honest. But like I said, I know that's what vitamin C does, and I probably put too much on because I messed up. I read the directions and did it totally completely wrong. So lastly is the little Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream, which I showed you guys earlier. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. This one comes with a nice little cover seal, so we'll take that off, put it in the top. But there's that. Let's see if I can get my camera to focus in on it. There we go. So that's what that looks like. It's kind of a yellowish tint to that. So I'm gonna have to take like a small amount, and I'm hoping that's enough because this is not gonna last me 30 days if I don't. Yeah, so that's kind of like, I'll just kind of, if you can see it, I just took a little bit off the top there, and hopefully that will be enough. Immerse into a deep hydration with this lightweight moisturizing cream. Our signature blend of African-rich butters, hyaluronic acid, and rose water promotes radiant skin while soothing and improving tone and texture. This supercharged formula helps restore your complexion's healthy glow for a more youthful appearance. And this one just says to massage generously over the face and neck using upward circular motions, ideal after vitamin C serum. Repeat daily. Like, I think it's super moisturizing. It's a very, it is lightweight, but it feels like a thick cream because I think it's the cocoa butter and shea butter that they mixed in there. Which I at first was kind of hesitant because I'm like, I use cocoa butter and shea butter and stuff, but I don't put it on my face, so I was a little hesitant with how that was going to work. But we shall see. I don't really think I'm going to have enough to put it on my neck too if I want to make that last for 30 days, so we're just going to focus it on my face. But my face does feel moisturized. Honestly, I still have a little tacky feeling from the vitamin C in there. I don't know if that could be my hand. No, that's my face. But yeah, I'll get up close so you guys can see. Let me turn my light down some. So yeah, there is that. I know I still have a little bit of mascara under my eyes. That stuff is hard to get off, bro. I mean, my face is glowing. And it definitely feels moisturized, which is a plus. I don't have dry skin, but I noticed after washing my face and stuff that it can get really, really dry. So yeah, that was nice. overall first thoughts, like I said before, I was comparing everything to my Mary Kay. Now I'm comparing to Mary Kay and Fenty. Am I wowed? Not really. I feel like it's just a regular cleanser. Like, I didn't really feel anything amazing about it. It literally looked like liquid soap from like, what's that brand, like Soft Soap. That's the vibe I got from it. It didn't have a scent, which was nice, you know. I don't really like a whole bunch of fragrances on my face. But yeah, it was fine. It felt like it cleaned. The vitamin C, to me, was like typical vitamin C. I actually probably would prefer the vitamin C that I get from Mary Kay because it's not just the serum, it's like it's in a cream, so you don't really get that sticky feeling. We have vitamin C squares that do that, like you rub it with water and then you put it on your face and that leaves that sticky thing, but this, I still feel like my face is sticky even after putting on the moisturizing cream, so I don't know, we'll have to see how that does going forward. But yeah, the cream was nice. Like I said, I feel very moisturized. I look glowy, I don't look dull, so that's good. But yeah, so we are gonna give it 30 days, like always, with all my skincare lines. I promise it'll be 30 days. So yeah, 30 days. We're gonna give it. I'll come back and I'll do a review on it, what I felt, what I thought. So I'll have a picture so you guys can see what my skin looks like now. And then when we come back, we'll be able to compare to see if anything has changed. With all of my products that I try, I'm not gonna do anything else. So I'm gonna, all the things that I was doing before, I'm gonna take out. So no Fenty Skin, no Mary Kay, no extra stuff, just this for 30 days, and then we'll see what happens. Out of all three though, I'll probably say that the cream is my favorite so far because I feel like my face is moisturized. 30 days, that's what we're giving it. I hope I like it. It is black owned, so I really hope I like it. And I've seen a lot about it on Instagram. My sister actually put me on it, so I'm gonna give it a try and we shall see. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any more like skincare brands you want me to try, leave them down in the comments below because I'll be doing this every 30 days on my channel. So if you have anything that you want to see me try, let me know because I would love to try different skincares. But yeah, until next time, bye.